Welcome back to another video here at Always Doing Something. Today, me and my brother got our RC 24 scales out. Gonna crawl around on these concrete pipes today. If you enjoy this video, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Like always, hope you're having a wonderful day. I can't get up this. You're supposed to turn this way. You can't get up that. You turtled! Here, wait. Come on, let's do this over. Down yonder here. That tire. Move that rock. Good, I'll follow you next. Come on. You make that freaking shitty turn. Thanks for watching me and my brother crawl our RC cars down here on the concrete tubes. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe. Leave us a comment down below. We always like to hear what you say. Like always, hope you're having a wonderful day.